Welcome back, my dear friends. So in the last part we have discussed the squares of numbers from 100 to 125. I hope you have practiced that well, because if you have done that, you would have already be feeling a very big confidence in your calculation level for squares. So today we are going to discuss the second segment, that is from 75 to 100. So we will discuss 75 to 100 today. So last one we have done 100 to 125. If you have forgotten that, just go back and check that. Let me give you a challenge. Just quickly calculate what is 107 square. Are you getting the answer? So if you have watched the previous video well, you will definitely get the answer. Okay. So let's come back to this one now. 75 to 100. Let's take a number here. What is 96 square? What is going to be 96 square? So the method is almost same. Take the difference from 100. Take the difference from 100 and that difference will be 4. Take the difference from 100 and that difference will be 4. Now the slight change. In the last part the numbers were above 100. We were working on numbers like 105, 109, 101, 112. These were the numbers we were looking in the last part. So the numbers were above 100. So we were adding the difference. If you remember, we were adding this difference. But here, when it comes to 75 to 100, the numbers are less than 100. The numbers 96 or any number which you take from 75 to 100 is going to be less than 100. So the important thing here is subtract the difference. So the first part is 96 minus 4. So the first part, the change is 96 minus 4. So it will be 92. Second part, no change. I told you to learn it thoroughly in the first part. Same thing, we have to do the square of 4. That is 9216. So I hope you understood the difference between numbers which is above 100 and the numbers which is below 100. So the only change is in the first part, when the numbers are above 100, we are adding the difference. 105, the difference is 5. The difference is from 100 is 5. So we will get it as 110. The first part is 110. 109, the difference from 100 is 9. The difference from 100 is 9. So our first part is going to be 118. But here 96. The difference from 100 is 4. The difference from 100 is 4. And we have to subtract this. So we will get the first part as 92. Second part, there is no change. We have to do the square of this 4. So that is 9216. So all you have to do is understand the difference between the numbers which are above 100 and the one which are below 100. Once that is clear to you, the method is almost same for all numbers from 75 to 125. The method is almost same for all numbers from 75 up to 125. I hope this is clear to you. Let's practice some questions in this segment so this becomes more thorough for us. My dear students, let's look at some examples of the concept we have discussed now. 93 square. So first we have to imagine the difference from 100. What is the difference? I think better we can do in our mind now. What is the difference? 7. So first part is going to be 93 minus 7. What is it? 86. Second part is 7 square. The difference is 7. So that is 7 square. So that will be 49. So the answer is going to be 8649. Come, let's look at this. Just imagine what is the difference from 100. What is going to be the difference from 100? 95. The difference is going to be 5. So the first part is 95 minus 5. So it is going to be 90. What is the second part? 5 square. That is going to be 25. So I'm sure you are getting this faster than me. The time I am taking to write it here, I am very sure you are getting it faster than that. Okay. Let's look at this one. 97. There is a small change here. That is why I took this example. 97. What is the difference? Difference is going to be 3. What is the first part? 97 minus 3. 94. What is the second part? 3 square is equal to 9. I hope if you can recollect what I told you. If the square is single digit, what are we supposed to do? If the square is single digit, we have to write it as 09. So the second part is always 2 digits. We learned this in the previous part. So I am repeating this again. when the square of this is single digit, you have to prefix a 0. So it is 09. Let's look at this one. Similar question. 99. What is the difference from 100? It's going to be 1. What is the first part? 98. What is the second part? 1 square is 1, but we are going to write it as 01. Look at this one, 88 square. What is the difference from 100? 88. Difference from 100. 100 minus 88 is going to be 12. 100 minus 88 is going to be 12. So first part is 88 minus 12. 88 minus 12 is equal to 76. What is the second part? 12 square is equal to 144. Again the same thing. The second part can always have only 2 digits. So I have 44. 1 will go as a carry. So 1 will go as a carry. So this 76 is going to become 77. 44 I can write here. 7744. I hope this is clear to you. Here we had only single digit in the square. So we put 09. Here we have 3 digits in the square. So 1 goes as a carry and we are writing 2 digits here. Let's look at this one. 89. The difference is going to be 11. The difference is going to be 11. So the first part is 89 minus 11. That is 78. 78. What is 11 square? 11 square is equal to 121. 11 square is equal to 121. So our answer will be 1 will come as a carry. 7921 is the answer. So let's take our challenge as usual. I'll tell you a number. Just imagine that. You can close your eyes, see the difference in your mind and do the calculation. So let me just take a number which is not here. I'll give you 94. 94 square. Can you do it in your mind? Just take 2 seconds. So I hope you got the answer by now. So the difference is 6. First part was going to be 94 minus 6, 88. Second part was 36. So if you got this correctly, then you are already doing it very well. All you need is to practice this method and you will be able to do all squares in this range. In the next part, we will look at some more numbers which is less than 75. So I hope you understood the concept very well.